Are you looking for the best GPS watch? In this video we will look at some of the best GPS watch on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garmin Enduro. What makes a watch with impressive battery life even more amazing? Solar charging, of course. The great battery life and ability to charge while outdoors and far away from electricity puts this watch at our top spot. The Enduro has a full range of features and still manages impressive battery life. In smartwatch mode, it can last up to 50 days. With solar assistance, it bumps up to 65 days. With full GPS, you can get up to 70 hours of regular use, or 80 hours with solar. Max battery GPS mode allows you 200 hours of use, which can be extended to 300 with solar. Expedition GPS activity mode can give you 65 days or 95 days with solar. Switch to battery saver mode and you can wear your watch for 130 days before having to charge it again, or up to a year with solar charging. The weatherproof design means you can go where you wish in any conditions, and the addition of a nylon strap makes it unusually lightweight. All the usual advanced running and sport metrics are right on your wrist. Garmin's Pace Pro technology is unique to the brand and helps you keep on your target pace while making adjustments for gradients. Trail Run VO2 Max is new metric that takes into account the varying terrain and obstacles on the trail. Number 2. Garmin FENIX 7X Solar. If you want a more robust and versatile watch, you may prefer the FENIX 7X Solar. It's a comprehensive sport watch that's great for runners. You'll be able to monitor advanced metrics such as VO2 max and recovery. You'll also have access to Garmin's Pace Pro function. The battery isn't quite as impressive as the Enduro, but it's still one of the best we've seen. In regular, everyday mode, your smartwatch should last 28 days. Add another 9 days if you use solar. You can get 63 hours of GPS use, plus an extra 14 with solar charging. For those who can't do without their tunes, music and GPS will drain the battery in 16 hours. Power Manager helps maximize battery life. Max battery GPS mode can last up to 213 hours, or 578 with solar charging. Expedition GPS mode, a super low-powered function, can give you 62 to 139 days worth of power with solar. In battery saver mode, your watch can go for 90 days without charging. If you charge with solar, Garmin claims up to a year. Beyond the battery, the FENIX 7X is one of Garmin's most feature-laden watches. Body battery, advanced sleep tracking, hydration reminders, animated workout examples and more come built-in. Number 3. Caros Apex. The COROS is a wildcard in the running watch game, and it has surprisingly superb battery life. For the features you get on this watch, its pricing is fantastic. If you're using the COROS Apex in normal mode, you shouldn't have to charge it for a month. Full GPS mode lasts up to 35 hours, while the economical Ultramax GPS mode will yield up to 100 hours of use. That's right on par with the pricier brands. It's important to note that the above battery facts are based on the 46mm watch. If you'd prefer the 42mm, it still packs a punch, albeit a slightly smaller one. 25 hours in GPS mode, and 80 hours in Ultramax GPS is still very decent. For runners, the COROS is well worth considering. If you want advanced running metrics, you'll have to buy the COROS Pod separately, but at this price point, why not? Paired with your watch, you'll get data on power, running form, ground time, and cadence, among other things. Triathletes will appreciate the sports modes, which include running, indoor and amp, outdoor, biking, indoor and amp, outdoor, swimming, pool and amp, open water, and a mix called triathlon mode. You'll also find training mode, for hitting the gym. Pro features include COROS Track Run mode, intelligent stride algorithm, which learns your stride length and uses it to make up for gaps in GPS, and a recovery tracker and advisor.